Yo, what's up? What's up? Just at the gym. We're going to talk about how to stop entering your trades late. All right. There's a lot of you who see your setup, but a lot of you might end up missing your setup. And it might frustrate you. It might put you in a season of mental doubt. Like, dang, I don't know if this is for me. Or, oh man, I missed my opportunity. But chill. Okay. Trading has been out for decades. It's going to be okay. All right. This isn't the only trade you're going to be able to take. So even if you did miss a setup in the past, it's fine. It's not that big of a deal. Don't trade. Okay. Now, how do we stop missing our setups? One, all of our chart work should be done and the setup should be marked out prior before even price action touches the range. Okay. So you should know what type of trade you're going to take. You should know where your stop loss is going to be, and you should know where your take profit is going to be before you even enter into the trade. This way, all your parameters are already set up, so you don't really have anything to worry about. Now, on all brokers and TradingView, you do have, and on most brokers, I'll say, you do have the ability to set alerts. So, if you guys have found the type of setup that you want to trade, I want you guys to go ahead and right click, or if you're on TradingView, right click near your setup, and you guys will see Add Alert. I want you guys to click on that, and then click on the Every Time button. And every time price decides to go ahead and cross that section, you guys will go ahead and be alerted. Okay? This way, once you guys have your alert set, you're not going to miss trades anymore because you're going to get a notification on your phone when price is near your trade, whether it be a short breakout, a long breakout, or a reversal setup off of a key area of resistance or support. Now, you don't need to stare at the charts all day. This is another thing I'm going to get into. A lot of people end up doing a lot of silly things like quitting their job or doing things they don't really need to, like sitting at the chart all day, watching every single candle go by. Why are you doing that? Do you know how fast time can elapse like that? That's more time you could be working harder at your job, studying harder to go get a raise, working on another business so you could get more capital and put into the account. So then you wouldn't have to sit there and stare at the charts looking for micro trades, trying to trade a million times a day. Instead, you can just take a couple of big trades a month with capital because you've been grinding and you, instead of staring at the charts all day, your alerts are set. So because of your alerts being set, you now have way more time and way more mental clarity and freedom and mental like free space to go do other things, to go get some more capital, right? Now, alerts are powerful. You can do the same thing for your take profit if you guys don't use limit orders. Set your alerts for your stop loss and your take profit. Okay? This way, you guys won't be missing your entries anymore. When you guys get a notification, and make sure you guys put your alert a little bit before the entry. Don't put alerts exactly straight on the entry because you guys want to have time to load up your broker, put in your contract, and pretty much put in the order. So yeah, you guys don't want to put your alert exactly at the entry point. Put it a little bit before or above the entry point, and then go ahead and get in from there, right? Boom. So this way you have time to get on your phone, put in the amount of contracts you want, put in your stop loss, take a look at what price action is doing real quick. So yeah, you don't want to be missing your entries as well because it's going to mess up your stop loss. This is why I decided to make a whole video about this because this is such a crucial thing. When you guys do enter late as well, the later you enter, the more your stop loss is going to be skewed up. So a lot of the time, sometimes you guys can kind of enter in a little bit early, depending on how the price action is going. But ideally, you want to go ahead and enter in at the breakout a lot of the times. Yeah. Or you guys can enter a little bit before the breakout and then catch your price action, see how the price action is going. And then if price decides to create support or resistance right where the breakout's supposed to happen, then your stop loss is a little bit better. Okay. Versus whether if you guys enter in, like, let's say a good chunk after the breakout, then your stop loss is going to go ahead and be chunked off. So this is why it's also nice to go ahead and set limit orders as well. Because limit orders, you guys will get the exact entry, exactly where you guys put price down. And that's going to be very effective and very useful for you, okay? And it's going to pretty much help you guys get into the mental framework of, okay, I don't have to sit here and stare at the charts all day. I don't have to quit my job to trade. I don't know why people do that. Don't quit your job to trade. Please don't do that. Please. That's not worth it. I promise you that's not worth it. In the long run, that's not worth it, bro. Do not quit your job to trade. Please do not quit your job to trade. Please don't do that. You need all the bread you can get, bro. All right. Because especially if you guys aren't profitable already, like even if you are profitable, I wouldn't quit your job until you're making at least 10K a trade, 5K a trade, at least enough to cover like a whole month of expenses per win, then I'd say maybe consider quitting your job. But up until then, safety and security over a lot of things, really. So rather be safe than sorry. So don't quit your job too early just because you're overzealous or think because you need to stare at the charts all day. You don't. Mark out your setups before or after work. Set your alerts and go ahead and get in from there. That's literally all you have to do, bro. Don't make it hard on yourself. Too many people are making it way too hard on themselves, and it's not even that deep. All right. I want you guys to be thriving. I want you guys to be winning. I want you guys to be staying prayed up with God, of course. StackMode.net for all trading education as well. I want you guys to get with me for mentorship. I do have a course, I do have an ebook, and I do have a Discord where I give my signals as well. You guys can also see my levels, and pretty much I give the alerts to you. So you guys can go ahead and mark out your own alerts right before the setup even comes, and go ahead and get it for a profitable trade. All right. Now, you shouldn't be missing your setups anyways. Why are you missing your setups? Are you waking up late? Are you being undisciplined? Are you doing things you know you shouldn't be doing? Stop turning off your alarm early, bro. Get up. Get up before market opens. Get up. Get up. You can do it. All right. I don't care how tired you are. I don't care what time you slept. Get up and grind. Okay. You say you want to be a trader and you can't even catch your 9:30 a.m. setup. What's going on? Are you really a trader or are you just playing games? Or are you just here to click buttons and try to lose and make some money here and there? Or are you here to actually be a disciplined, well-rounded individual and trader? We worship God, and worshiping God says we have to protect and provide for our families, especially as men. And we're not going to protect and provide for our families by waking up late, being undisciplined, missing the setup, and doing things we don't need to be doing. This is very important, and we need this money, not only for ourselves, but for our family. We have to wake up every day and try and make God as proud as possible. All right. I love y'all so much. StackMode.net for all trading education. BitUnix.com for futures and crypto trading. It's super duper nice. It's super duper easy. Can drag your TP and stop loss. My favorite futures broker as far as cryptocurrency goes. Link in the description below. And you can trade meme coins. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. If you guys are looking for a cryptocurrency broker where you guys can trade crypto futures, altcoins, and meme coins, I recommend you guys head over to bitunix.com. You guys can either buy crypto straight up and buy your favorite coins using your card, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, XRP, etc. You guys also have the ability to trade futures as well, where you guys can either long or short cryptos such as Bitcoin, or even trade altcoins and meme coins such as Gala USDT. So you guys have a huge variety of what you guys want to trade, and the fees are pretty low as well. On bitunix.com, they also do give you guys a welcome bonus as well, where you guys can complete some very easy steps and get some free capital which you guys can trade with. There's also tons of trading competitions that go on that you guys can earn some capital to trade from too, and you can compete against your buddies. So if you guys are looking for a new crypto broker with low fees, fast transactions, and fast withdrawals, I'd head over to bitunix.com. Link in description below. Peace.